Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I am doing fantastic and I'm doing a slime package review video. So starting off with the first slime shop, SlimeShadyShop, we have Bomb Pop Butter. I believe this was a 4th of July special, so it's a limited edition slime. So this is a butter slime as it says in its name, and it has 3 colors, red, white, and blue, which matches 4th of July perfectly. It smells so good. It smells like cotton candy. I've actually smelled the scent before in other slime shops I reviewed, and I really enjoy the scent. So the colors did mix a tiny bit, but it created a beautiful marble look to it. It also comes with a cute charm. And then after you mix it all up, it becomes this gorgeous purpley burgundy color. And the slime is really soft and spreadable. Next up we have their Fruit Loop slime, and this is their best seller, one of their best sellers, and I can definitely see why. Because, okay, first of all, it is so thick and also glossy as well. Easily became one of my favorite slimes that they send me, and has some rainbow flown beads, like not a lot but some to give it a nice look and texture. And the Fruit Loop scent is really authentic. It smells so good. I'm a huge fan of cereal scents. Also, this one did not need any activator whatsoever, which is surprising and amazing to me because it's really hot now and I would think that slimes would melt, you know, not a big deal, but didn't even need any of that. And on top of that, this inflates like a monster in a good way. You know, I did have to switch to a bigger container, but I'm not complaining. Here we have Hawaiian Punch, and I really love their bottom logo stickers. I forgot to mention that before, but I just want to say it now. So this is a really glossy slime. The gloss is real in this slime. It's less thick than the Fruit Loop slime, but it is so shiny. It's a nice basic glossy slime, and the scent smells exactly like its name, like Hawaiian Punch. Last but not least, we have Minions Banana. Unfortunately, this did spill in the bubble wrap and the logo on top got discolored, but I still managed to save most of it, and I would definitely say that it's the carrier's fault 100% because the seller put effort into the packaging. All of these slimes were bubble wrapped and there was packing peanuts in the mailer. Otherwise, despite being notoriously horrible at handling these packages, let's not even go there. The seller needs to put effort into the packaging as well in order to prevent that. That's just my opinion. I just want to say that. Okay, let's just get to the slime. So it came with an adorable baby minion charm, and I want to know, where do you find these, because I feel like they're really rare, and it smells like bananas. It smells good. It's very similar to the Hawaiian Punch slime. It's glossy and a little bit thicker than it, but it's great. Here are all the extras that I got. I got some candy, a lot of it, and I will be eating all of them. Thank you very much. I am very grateful. And then I got a borax baggie, very convenient, and I got a business card with care instructions on the back. And I also got one of these cute little squishies. And for the last slime shop I'm reviewing in this video is Slime OG. For the first slime, we have here Taro Milk Tea, which is one of my favorite milk tea flavors. It is delicious. All the slimes are nicely bubble wrapped and labeled. And something I noticed about their containers at the bottom, it has a sticker that has tips and informative, it's very informative, information on slime. So, you know, like warnings and stuff like that. Very helpful. It did arrive a bit melted, so I had to activate it a bit. Not a big deal because it's hot and it's summer, that's to be expected. Unfortunately, there was a little crack on the container, but the slime was all good, nothing spilled. The first thing that I want to mention about this is the scent, because I love it so much. Now, it's not a Taro Milk Tea kind of scent. I heard because there's not really that kind of scent on the market. Other than that, it smells so good. It smells like sweet tea with like a lemon slice garnish. It smells so fresh. This is a medium glossy and slightly thick slime. I really enjoy it, and the color is on point. Very stretchy and makes great poking sounds. For the next one, we have watermelon chunks, and this is actually my first Jello cube slime. Surprise, surprise, I've never played or made it before. I have to say, I am officially obsessed with it because I love squishing the cubes. It's so satisfying to me. These 8-ounce containers are also sealed. This is just overall, even looking at it is satisfying. It really does resemble a watermelon. It even smells like it. It smells like bubblegum and watermelon combined, and it also has these like black beads that resemble the seeds in a watermelon. It makes great bubble pops. It's just so fun to play with. Last but not least, this is cherry jello. This is probably my favorite out of the 3 slimes from Slime OG. Let me tell you why, because this is some thick, clear slime. Like, it is very putty-like, but it's stretchy, which really amazes me because usually putty type of slime, or putty, well, putty is different than slime, but they're kind of similar. Well, they are usually not as stretchy. This does not melt at all. It needed no activator, and the scent is just on point. It smells like cherries. It resembles Jello. I really want to eat this, and it's not edible, which is so sad because it looks like Jello. Also, it's just so satisfying to look at. Like, I love it. For extras, I got candy, a borax baggie, and a business and care card in one. This is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!